Are you tired of pouring money into glossy bottles that promise miracle results, but leave your hair weaker, thinner, and more lifeless than before? You're not alone. The billion-dollar beauty industry thrives on quick fixes that mask the problem, while nature has been quietly holding the real solutions all along. Nature's Forgotten Hair Secrets pulls back the curtain on ancient remedies that worked for centuries, now backed by modern science. Inside, you'll uncover 7 powerful natural treatments, from the rice water rituals of Japanese royalty to the sulfur-rich onion juice that sparks regrowth, to rosemary oil, proven in studies to rival minoxidil. You'll meet scalp healers like aloe vera and apple cider vinegar, follicle defenders like green tea, and nutrient-rich fenugreek seeds that thicken every strand. Each remedy is simple, accessible, and waiting in your kitchen or garden. This isn't about expensive serums or toxic chemicals. It's about reclaiming timeless wisdom and building a natural hair ritual that lasts. Imagine stronger, shinier, thicker hair in just weeks, without side effects or wasted money. Stop chasing fads. Start rediscovering what nature already knew. Your journey to radiant, resilient hair begins here. Get the ebook Nature's Forgotten Hair Secrets on Amazon.